Using Afterpay on Amazon, a comprehensive guide.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a popular topic, how to use Afterpay on Amazon. As many of you may know, Afterpay is a buy now, pay later service that allows you to split your purchases into 4 equal payments. But can you use it on Amazon, and if so, what can you buy? Let's find out.
Can I use Afterpay on Amazon?
To begin, let's address the key question, can I use Afterpay on Amazon? As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Afterpay was not directly integrated with Amazon. However, this could have changed since then, so it's always a good idea to check the most recent information on the Afterpay and Amazon websites. If Afterpay is available on Amazon at the time you're watching this, you can use it to purchase eligible items. Typically, Afterpay can be used on a wide variety of products, but there may be some limitations based on the price or the type of item.
What can I buy with Afterpay?
If Afterpay is available on Amazon, the next question is, what can I buy with Afterpay? Typically, Afterpay can be used for a variety of products such as electronics, books, clothing, home goods, and more. It is not generally limited to specific categories of items. However, there may be some restrictions based on the item's price. For instance, there may be a minimum and maximum purchase amount for using Afterpay.
Are there any restrictions?
It's important to know that there could be some restrictions when using Afterpay. These restrictions may be due to the price of the item, the category of the product, or even regional or country-specific rules. It's also essential to remember that Afterpay requires approval, similar to a credit card. Your ability to use Afterpay may be determined by factors such as your credit score and payment history. In conclusion, while Afterpay was not directly available on Amazon as of September 2021, the situation may have changed since then. If Afterpay is available, you can likely use it for a variety of items on Amazon, but remember there may be some restrictions. Always check the latest details on the Afterpay and Amazon websites to get the most accurate information. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Keep shopping smart and stay tuned for more useful tips and guides.